Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your Reddit account. Whether you want a fresh start or just want to leave the platform, this is a straightforward process. But there are a few important things you should know before you do it. Let's get into it. Before anything else, listen to this. Deleting your Reddit account is permanent. You cannot undo it, you cannot recover it, and you cannot use the same username again. Also, your posts and comments will not automatically be deleted. They stay on Reddit even after your account is gone, just listed as posted by a deleted user. So if you want your posts removed too, you need to delete them manually before closing the account. Keep that in mind. If you want to remove your post history before deleting, go to your profile, click on Posts or Comments, and delete them one by one. If you have a lot of posts, there are browser extensions like Shredded or Power Delete Suite that can bulk delete everything for you automatically. It's worth doing this step first if privacy is your concern. Now let's delete the account. Open Reddit on your computer and make sure you're logged in. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Go to User Settings. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the page. You'll see a section that says Deactivate Account. Click on it. Reddit will ask you to enter your username and password to confirm. It will also ask you why you're leaving. You can skip this or fill it in. Then click Deactivate. Your account is now permanently deleted. On the Reddit mobile app, the process is a little different because the option isn't always available in the app itself. The easiest way is to open your mobile browser, like Chrome or Safari, and go to reddit.com. Switch to the desktop version of the site if needed. Then follow the same steps as desktop. Go to User Settings, scroll to the bottom, click Deactivate Account, enter your credentials, and confirm. Done. Once your account is deactivated, you're immediately logged out and can no longer log back in. Your username becomes unavailable to everyone, including yourself. Your profile page will show as deleted. But again, any posts or comments you didn't manually delete will still appear on Reddit under the name deleted. So make sure you clean those up first if that matters to you. And that's it. That's how you delete your Reddit account. Just remember to back up anything you want to keep and delete your posts first if privacy is important to you. If this video helped you out, leave a like and subscribe for more quick how-to guides. See you in the next one.